Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to yet another amazing video. Today, we've got a gem for you. Something special, something extra spectacular. So today we're going to tour this amazing villa. Only thing that I'm going to say about this is location. If you look at the skyline of this villa, you will be amazed. Today we're going to tour this 3-story villa from top to bottom, and I will show you everything about it. And I will tell you why it's worth the price tag of 1.4 million euros as of the time and date of recording. It's going to be a special one, so stick with us today and make sure you follow along. So, to start off our journey into the house, we chose this place to show you first because, as you can see, we are in Benidorm, La Finestrat, and the beautiful weather is all year long, amazing, over 20 degrees Celsius. So, if you want to enjoy some great time outside, looking at the hills and the beautiful skyline, which we're going to show you more, trust me, this is the place to be. But let's go inside and I will show you exactly what living in Benidorm at its finest and most luxurious means. Let's check out this amazing, spacious, huge and luxurious living area. Come on, follow me, venga. So this is your living area. You will be spending most of your time here. As the building manager told us, they deliberately did not build any bedrooms here in this area because they wanted this to be the living space, the living and breathing space. You have amazing furniture and wonderful and lovely decoration here, all from Porcelana, which is an exquisite and luxurious brand here in Spain. Now, this area, obviously, as I mentioned, is your living area. Here, right next to me, you can see the lift that can take you upstairs and downstairs to the basement and play area, which is amazing. Trust me. Just wait for that. Please don't go anywhere. You will be amazed when we get there. Now, this is your entrance and entry door to the property. We will show details from the outside as well. Now, I was told to point out these switches. If you come a little bit closer, it's just amazing and quite playful. Works both ways. This is the extra attention to detail. It's not just a normal, clicky whatever on the wall. It's just something. Again, I know I'm using this word a lot, amazing, but this place is really amazing. So, once I've shown you the living area, the kitchen has some extra things that I wanted to show you about. Okay, now allow me to show you this kitchen. Spacious, luxurious, clean, spotless. Imagine that you come here, right, and prepare your food, your breakfast, for example. You have the amazing skyline looking over the hills and Benidorm itself. And you're just enjoying this, right? And drinking your orange juice, talking to your wife or, I don't know, your partner, right? And then you have a quick swim in your own pool, which is, again, it's huge. And infinity pool, by the way. Now, but let's go back to the kitchen itself. They did not hold back. Everything in here is using only the best materials in the business because they know that if somebody wants to buy this property, whether they want to use it as an investment, whether they want to use it for themselves, they want to live a luxurious life. So this amazing, spacious and well-crafted kitchen is waiting just for you to enjoy all its glory. I'm not going to talk about much in detail about this kitchen because it's a kitchen after all, right? But I'm going to show you a couple of things around. It has all the amenities that you need in a household. So all the white goods are included, brand new, everything is basically sealed, never been used. Dishwasher available, fridge, freezer available at your convenience. Now, if you look at the cooking devices here, the stove area from Siemens as well, the suction device again, and we've got Siemens all across the whole kitchen. Now, allow me to show you this. The microwave oven is built in as well, and the oven itself. Now, next to the kitchen, you have this spare bathroom slash water closet. I love the tiling above the toilet, which is kind of a 3D effect, but you know, it's a nice touch. There is at least a half a bathroom down here. You can't shower, obviously, but to do your bits and pieces, it's available for you to do so. Now, let's see where the magic happens. Let's go upstairs and check out the bedrooms, which there is a lot. So follow along because every single one of them has something specific and exquisite. Let me show you every single one of them. So we are on the first floor of the property. There is one more upstairs and obviously one more downstairs. We're going to check both of those out. First of all, you can arrive here by a lift and you can choose one of the two masters. Obviously, we're going to choose the bigger one now, which is to my right, to your left, obviously. Let's see what it has. It's just huge. Look at this. It's big, spacious, exquisite. Everything is so nice. Imagine you are here and enjoying some relaxing time. The materials as well, they were chosen to envision a luxurious type of life. Now, when it comes to the bathroom and the shower area of this place, but before you enter the bathroom, there is a cabinetry and wardrobe space to your right, obviously, for the ladies or for his and hers to put clothes and everything else in here. But the bathroom itself, look at that. The materials in here is just amazing. Crazy. I could shower here all day long. Before I let you go on this floor, allow me to show you the other room, which is right across from the masters. It's yet again a double room, boasting an ensuite bathroom and a small balcony at its best. It's nice. It's just so lovely to be here. We are on the top of the property. This is what we call the solarium, right? This is where your lift ends or starts. Now, this property boasts two solariums. One's to your left and one is to your right. Allow me to show you this one first. This one gives you the full view of this amazing skyline. On the other side of this balcony, you can see the next and final solarium, so the two sides of both, and that gives you a view to your very own pool and pool area. Both of these could be used for anything. If you want to use these places for a barbecue area, for a jacuzzi area, or if you want to just put something in here to relax and enjoy the sun, it's down to you. Both of these areas are quite spacious, so you can put here anything that you want. Now, before I let you go, we left the most important and the sexiest place in this house to the very end. Let's go downstairs and check out the play area. This is the play area. You can see a big smile on my face because I could spend my whole day here. Myself and my videographer Rolly, who's behind the camera, when we came here, we were just absolutely freaking amazed and we could see the potential in this place. But yeah, look behind me. Look, it's huge. It's actually humongous, right? You can use this space to anything that you like. This place behind me could be used for a video gaming room. It could be your cinema room. It could be playroom for your kids. It could be literally anything, a man cave. Just to be honest with you, I can put a projector in here and play video games all day, or allow my kids to play in here. It's just huge. But the thing that surprised me the most is not this area. It's the other two bedrooms, which is to your left. If you catch a glimpse to that corridor over there, there are 2 bedrooms in there. One is to your left immediately, which is yet again a huge space with so much potential. Again, they use the best materials possible to give you the best and most luxurious life available. You can put in here a TV, maybe a few cabinets, but other than that, it could be a nice guest room or your, I don't know, 3rd, 4th bedroom, anything that you like. Seriously, I can't find the words. Now, the corresponding bathroom to this bedroom is right across the hall. As you can see, this whole house is built with luxury in mind, inch by inch. Now, if you come out of the bathroom, to your right is yet another bedroom, and that has an ensuite bathroom to it. But this place is basically, it's like a temple. It's nice, clean, spacious, and very, very beautiful. And before we go outside, we'll show you this bathroom, just for good measure, just to be precise. Because there is one more thing that I wanted to show you in this house. We deliberately left it to the very end of the tour of the basement area, because who doesn't like to play? Okay, it's a man's cave at the end of the day. And right next to me, to your right, is an amazing pool table. Look at this. It's amazing. Brand new. Absolutely amazing. Could play here all day. Bring your friends, bring a whiskey, maybe a cigar, enjoy some playing, play some poker. You've got the nice posters in here. And this right behind us is an English patio, which you can obviously use to your liking. There is one more thing left, which I wanted to show you before we let you go. So follow me. Venga, let's go upstairs. As you come up from downstairs, from the play area, it's right next to your pool, obviously. Here is a beautiful and cozy seating, relaxing area where you can read a book, speak to your friends, enjoy a cup of coffee or wine or whatever. You can put a nice fireplace in here to enjoy a nice heat in the winter months. And look at this amazing, yet again I'm using the same word, but it is just amazing, skyline. I'm sure that you guys noticed that there is a building site right next to us. There's more villas like this being built. Some of them are different, some of them are the same as this one. So if you're interested to purchase this amazing property, 1.4 million euros will get this to you right now. Before I let you go, I'm going to give you this amazing view once again. Thanks you so much for joining us today. Make sure you subscribe, check out the links in the description, and see you in the next one.